Welcome once again. Let's talk about Pepe coin. Wow. After hitting over 5,400% within the past 2 months, $100 investment on this coin will have returned about $5,400, and $10 investment on Pepe coin will have returned about $540 already within the past 60 days. Just in 60 days. This coin is still increasing, and I'm expecting that very soon this coin will gain more attention, and especially coming in from the crypto world, because people are also really looking this coin as the next Shiba Inu. This is the MEMO coin, just like Shiba Inu, just like Dogecoin, just like Shiba Doge, just like Floki Inu. Pepe coin have really dominated. Now after Shiba Inu, after Dogecoin, then Shiba Inu. After Shiba Inu, Pepe coin have now become the third biggest MEMO coin ever, okay, before you now start talking about Floki Inu. So this coin definitely have already pumped, and a lot of people have make good return on investment already. People make money. Those who started right from time with Pepe coin must have earned a lot of profit already. I still believe more profit will be coming up in the next few months or years, because definitely this coin, the way it looks like a coin that will delete between 1, 2, 3 or 4 zeros in the future. But let's just keep monitoring this coin. But that doesn't mean you should just rush and invest huge amount of money on Pepe coin. You just have to wait. You have to monitor. Just buy a little, because this is crypto industry. Anything can happen. Right now, the coin have really pumped. The coin have really taken its place within the past 3 weeks among the top coins. But you still need to watch this coin for some time. That doesn't mean you should not buy, you should not invest. You can buy, invest, but buy, invest what you can afford to lose. Let's hope for the best, and let's wish that this coin will do the same thing, just like what Shiba Inu did. Even though it's not up to the level of Shiba Inu, but at least pump up to 100,000, 1,000,000%, at least over 100,000 or 1,000,000% within the nearest future. Remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.